Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the location in YouTube on your YouTube app. Very easy guys, very simple. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the lower right corner at your small profile picture. Then you want to go ahead and click on the gear icon at the upper right. So when you're over here guys at your settings, all you gotta do essentially is to click on general, and then you want to scroll down to the section that is called watch on TV. In this section you have an option which is says location. If you click on the location, you can essentially change your location, and this will change all the content type, all the suggested videos, all the recommendations, all the ads. Sometimes could even change the language if the particular ad is on foreign language. They target people from particular countries that speak the same language. This is how easy it is guys. For more tips like this, subscribe and like this video.